Alright folks, Fatima, Maria and Forrest G. We're going to do an unboxing video of Fatima's new luggage. Just got here today from Lazada. She's been needing a new piece of luggage. I mean, I got her one and it works, but it's a rather cheap, hard-sided case. And she likes it and it works. But one of the things I wanted to do is just upgrade our luggage just a little bit. And folks, this goes back to, you know, you buy nice once, spend a little bit more money. I got a Pelican case that I've had since 2008. The thing's still brand new. It's waterproof. It's been around the world many times. You don't worry about your stuff getting broken into. Don't worry about it getting crushed or wet. And I think about how many pieces of luggage that I've bought since I got that Pelican case that just gave up the ghost, went to the damn landfill. When back in 2008, I probably should have bought me, you know, 2 check-in size Pelican cases, and I'd still be rolling with it. Not worried about my stuff getting crushed or wet. So anyhow, I was looking around for her new piece of luggage. You know, Pelican cases are obviously expensive, so I was looking at Pelicans, but then I ran across this case. And I'll put the price. It was 6,000 something pesos, like 120 bucks, somewhere in there. I just wanted to get her something that's going to last and something that we don't got to worry about getting rained on, especially. You know, over here you got the rainy season every year to deal with. So you're going to the village. You really got to walk like 5 kilometers across the open field to get there. So I wanted to get her just a good little case at a reasonable size. I found this TuffCase 600. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about the brand. But we're gonna give it a test. And she didn't want anything too big. And this thing is like 1 inch more, maybe 2 inches more than the authorized check-in sizes, but I don't think it's big enough anybody will notice. It's just a perfect little rollerboard. It's called a TuffCase 600. It says airtight, it's got an O-ring seal, dust-proof, and will atmospheric purge. It weighs 6.25 kilograms. That's about 13 pounds. It's not the lightest in the world. I guess I should have turned on the lights when we started this. Let there be light. So the thing is packed full of foam. And the fact that it is packed full of foam makes it an even better deal, because if you look at the price of Pelican cases, you know, it's cheaper if you buy it without the foam. But this thing here comes chock full of foam. How many pieces we got here for us, G? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that thing's got 5 pieces of foam and then 1 piece, the egg crate and the lid. And I think this is the perfect size. I think that's the perfect depth. And then of course you got a little bit of play on the lid. Yeah, you can fit in there, Maria. Okay, so let's demonstrate the latches here, baby. Close it up. Okay, watch your fingers. There you go. It's a TuffCase. It is comparable to my Pelican. Maybe this is more like the Pelican Air. You just gotta pop it on there, baby. Just pop it on there. So you got 2 spots for the locks, just like the Pelican. Got a sturdy handle on the side and the top. And there's your purge valve. And just push that button. Watch out, man. Hit your head. Oh yeah, that's pretty sturdy. And you come down here, it's got the skateboard wheels. And the one about this one, I guess it's just 3 screws to replace the wheels. And the website that I bought, or the store I brought it from, actually had replacement wheels. Let's see the bottom, baby. Yeah. So pretty good case. I think that's about the appropriate size case. You know, we're not interested in putting the foam in there. This is just her luggage. But if you're looking for something to put camera gear in.
This one only wait, only 2. I took it.
Well, folks, so check that out. Whoa! Easy, greasy. So I think we got the perfect little case for her. She didn't want a big one. She wanted something that was manageable. All right, baby. So is that what you were looking for?
Yeah.
All right, good deal. Okay, so when I first tried to sell her on this case, she's not interested because obviously she's Filipina, early 20s. She didn't want some black plastic, or you know, I think the other color was orange. She didn't want an orange or black or you know, rugged looking case like that. She wanted like a little girly, fashionable piece of luggage, but they're all junk. So this is how I sold her on, hey, this is the piece of luggage that you need. You don't need one that's pink, you just need some stickers, and you can put stickers all over it and customize it. So I ordered her some stickers, and she's going to customize it, and then it will look girly, believe it or not. It's supposed to be some stickers. Just imagine that there's chicken tinola in there, and you'll have the strength to open it.
Here you go.
What do you got there? Got stickers? Boom, there we go. Hey, Maria got Hello Kitty. So there you go, folks. Now she's got a waterproof case. It's gonna last for years. She put her little Hello Kitty stickers on there, and then it looks like hers, and if the thief steals that thing running down the road, it's pretty easy to spot. Hello Kitty stickers all over the Pelican case, Pelican type case. Alright, so while she's messing with that, I'll show you the box. And folks, I don't know if this is a well-known brand or if this is knockoff. Like I said, everything you order here from Lazada in the Philippines, you have to question, is it legit or not? I don't know. I don't know anything about it. But there you go. There's the item code. That's the weight. And they got various ones. This is the number 600. Black with the foam. So you can get orange, yellow, what have you. So maybe I need to look at that right there. Distributed by shuttermaster.com.ph. Alright, so basically, sort of like Pelican rollboard and Pelican Air. There you go, sweetie.
Where's the seesaw?
Alright, Maria's helping. These stickers are so cheap, they didn't die cut them. She put them on there. I'm like, baby, you don't have to put the whole thing. But they're not. They just come straight out of China, and they were too cheap to die cut them. So she's over here with little scissors. Alright, baby, what do you think about your new luggage? You be okay? You go to the village, you don't have to worry about the rain messing up everything. Okay?
Isn't it heavy too?
Yeah, perfect size. Of course, gee, you can play in the box, son.